Good morning, 4th class children. All of you open your mathematics activity book. Now all of you open page number 13, children. Now see the question, children. Shade the second figure in each box in such a way that it is equivalent to the first one. Shade the second figure in each box in such a way that it is equivalent to the first one. So here they have given two figures, Nanna. See, here second figure of one figure they have shaded and one figure they have given blank, Nanna. So by observing the first figure we had to do the second figure. Means here we had to show equivalent. Okay, equivalent means both sides must be same number, we must be there. Okay, do you understand? Now see the first one, Nanna. In the first one, first how many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 parts. So how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded, Nanna. So now 4 by 8. Okay. Now by observing 4 by 8, these two numbers are cancelled in 2 table. See, 4 table we can cancel, Nanna. 4 table 4 one time, 8 2 times. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now come to the second one. Now by observing the first figure we had to find out the second figure, Nanna. Okay. Here we got it answer 2. So first actually how many parts do you have? 4 parts. So 4. Now by observing the first figure we had to write the second one, Nanna. Here we got answer 2. Here 4. Means in 2 table 4 how many times? 2 times. So we are seeing 2 table, that's why 2 ones are 2. So see how much you got it? 2 by 4. In 2 table 2 one time, 4 2 times. So answer is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Both are equal or not? Yes, both the sums are equal. Now go to the next one, children. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. How many are shaded? 2 are shaded. So 2 by 8. So here first count the make a circle. How many parts they done, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 parts. Now by observing the first figure we had to do the second figure. Here how much answer we got it? 4. So here also we had to get 4. Means in 4 table 4 how many times, children? 4 times we are cancelling. So here we had taken 4 table, no? Means upper how much we got it? 1. Means in 4 table 4. 1 4s are 4. That's why 4 by 16. So okay. Now 4 table 4 one time, 16 4 times. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Both the sums are equal. So how many parts we had to shade? We had to shade 4 parts. Here we had to keep the symbol equal to. Now third sum, children. See, children, first how many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. How many are shaded? 1 part is shaded. So 1 by 4. Okay. Here also we had to get 1 by 4. So first count how many parts are there, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. Here we got 1 by 4 answer. Means 8 in 4 table we had to take or not? We had to take in 2 table, Nana. 2 table 8 how many times? 4 times. So we had taken here 2 table, no? See upper also 2 table we had to take. So 1 2s are 2. So now in 2 table 2 1 time, 8 4 times. So answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Both the answers are equal. See the next one. How many parts? 1 2 3 4. 3 parts. So 3. How many are shaded? 1 2. 2 are shaded. Okay. Now how many so in a circle how many shapes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are parts. So by observing the first figure we had to do the second figure. No, here we got it 2 by 3. So here we want to get 2 by 3. Means which number we had to take here, Nana? 4. Now if you take 4 here in 2 table 2. 4 2 times, 6 3 times. So answer is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Both the sums are equal. Yes. equal. So that's why how many parts we had to shade, Nana? 4 parts we have to shade. Now come to the next one, Nana. How many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded. So answer is 3 by 8. Now here how many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 parts, Nana. How many? Here what is the answer? We got it 3 by 8. So here also we have to get 3 by 8. So that's why here we have to get 3 by 8 means in 2 table 8 how many 16 how many times? 8 times. So we got denominator answer, Nana. Now we'll go to the numerator sum. See here we have taken 2 table, no? So 2 table means here we have to get 3. That's why 2 3s are 6. Okay, do you understand? Now 6 by 16. So 2 table 6 3 times 16 8 times. So answer is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 3 by 8. Both the answers are equal. So keep the equal to symbol. So here we got 6 now. That's why we had to shade 6 parts. Okay. Now come to the next sum. See the next one. How many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 parts. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are shaded. So 10 by 16. Okay. In 2 tables 10 5 times 16 8 times. So answer is 5 by 8. In a circle, how many parts do you have, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. See, here we got the answer 5 by 8, Nana. That's why here also we had to get 5 by 8. Means how much we had to do? In the numerator, we had to get 5, denominator 8. Okay, now by observing 5 means how many parts we had to shade, Nana? We had to shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts are shaded. Okay, now go to the next one, Nana. See the next figure. See how many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that total 16. How many are shaded? 2 are shaded. So answer is 2 by 16. So in 2 table 2 1 times 16 8 times. So answer is 1 by 8. So here we got 1 by 8. So here also we had to get 1 by 8. How many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many? Here we got 1 by 8. No. So here also we had to get 1 by 8. That's why we have written 1 by 8, Nana. Now how many parts I had to shade it? 1 part. Why? Because in the numerator you are having 1, no? That's why we had to shade 1 part. Okay. Now come to the next one, children. See the next figure. How many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total 16, Nana. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are shaded. So in a 8 table, 8 1 time, 16 2 times. So answer is 1 by 2. Same process here also we had to take, Nana. How many parts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So by observing the first figure we had to take the second figure, Nana. Okay. Here in denominator we got 2. Means in 2 table we had to take, 3 table we had to take, Nana. 3 table 6 2 times. Means in 3 table 1. How many times? 3 times. So 3 by 6. In 3 table 3 1 times 6 2 times. So answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 1 by 2. Numerator and denominator are both are equal. So keep equal to symbol. Okay children, do you understand the sums? In the next class I will continue some more sums for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.